What's good, everyone? Happy holidays. Happy day before December 1st. I'm coming to you guys with a super beautiful HD lace wig review. So let's get right into it. So just doing a little unboxing. It comes with a hairnet, a pair of earrings, and it also comes with a little gold ring. And I'll be reviewing an HD Deep Wave 13x4 lace front wig today. It's 22 inches. It's 180% density. It's pre-plucked, pre-bleached, and the knots are very small. You can pick this up on YavitaHair.com, or they have an Amazon store, in which mine was shipped from their Amazon store. So first impressions with this unit, I did notice the lace was light, but I noticed knots were very, very small, and they did a wonderful job pre-plucking this unit. So it comes with 4 internal combs and adjustable straps. And like I said, this is 13x4. It doesn't look like 13x4 though. I think it's like 13x6, I'm not sure. Well, maybe it is 13x4, but all the information will be down below. Y'all, look at these knots. These knots are absolutely beautiful and tiny, and this unit is going to need little to no plucking. It's a beautiful deep wave texture. I love this curl pattern, and it's very shiny, and it does not smell bad at all. And throughout this process, I did not get barely any shedding. But look at these knots again. The lace is super white, so it will need some tinting, but look at that. They did a wonderful job pre-plucking this unit. I can't really tell if it's pre-bleached or not, but the knots are very light. I would suggest going in and plucking this just a little bit more, but if you're a beginner, you literally can throw this on, tint the lace, throw this on, and go. So just getting a feel for the hair here. Very, very beautiful hair. And it is 22 inches, listed as 22 inches. I would say it's more like a 20. So I don't know, but it's curly, so I would have to stretch it out. But I would say it's a little bit shorter than true to length to me. But you can make your own judgments. But here's the parting space. And y'all, this lace is, they say it's HD. I would consider this HD because the knots are very, very small, and you can see clearly through this frontal. So you may have to do a bald cap method, but I did not this time. I went in with some foundation that's slightly darker than my skin tone because my forehead skin is a little bit darker than my face, but it wasn't really giving me the coverage that I needed. So I went in and I put some lace tint spray in the color medium brown. I just picked this up from my beauty supply store, and it worked pretty well. Just gave it a few sprays over the entire lace and let it dry, and it did pretty good. So I am going to go in and pluck this unit just a little bit, just so it can match my hairline a little bit better. I spray the unit down with a little bit of water and leave-in conditioner mix before I do this. But be very careful, you guys. These knots are super small and super fragile, so you can definitely end up creating a bald spot in this unit very, very quickly. So if you're afraid of that, I suggest not even plucking the unit, but I plucked it very, very lightly and it came out very well. I just wanted it to match my hairline just a little bit more, and this is all that I plucked out, not too much. All right, so also sprayed some of that water and conditioner mix all over the wig. I know I shouldn't be combing it with a rat tail comb, but that's all I had at the time. But just opening up the curls just a little bit. And you guys, look at this lace. The knots are so tiny. I am loving it. I haven't even bleached it myself yet, but I don't plan on bleaching this unit. I just want to put it on and show you guys how it looks with none of that. So look how much better the lace looks after tinting it with a lace tint spray and a little bit of foundation. It looks great. So I'm just going in and cutting the lace with some tiny hair scissors, and I'm kind of cutting it like jaggedly, not really straight across. I did notice the lace came down a little bit too far, so I'm just bringing down some baby hair. It killed me to do this, but I'm bringing down a little bit of that baby hair and cutting above the baby hair because I didn't need that extra piece of lace there on my forehead. I have a very low forehead, so I need to cut the lace to fit my own forehead, and it looks better. Close up of how the lace is blending in with my skin. I have a low hairline, so it's the little pieces of my hair sticking out, but as you can see, the lace color looks great. So I'm going in with my Eben Wonder Lace Bond Spray, and this is the red can, my absolute favorite lace bond spray. And a young lady asked me, do I spray the product on my forehead first, or do I spray it on my lace? Sometimes I do one or the other, sometimes I do both. This time I did lay the wig down on my head, then spray the bond spray over the lace. But then I had to go in some areas and touch it up. But I didn't even use a blow dryer or anything on this step. I just let it air dry. Make sure you don't use your fingers, because if you do press the lace down with your fingers, it's going to cause some white areas and you don't want that stickiness on your hand. So just press it down with a rat tail comb and let it dry, and you'll be good to go. Very simple install. So of course I did lay the unit down with a silk hair tie. I made sure my baby hairs were facing down. You don't have to do this step if you don't want to. It works either way if your baby hair is pushed back and you want to separate it later. So I'm going in with some edge tamer. This is edge tamer, but this is all I had. I couldn't find my wax stick, so I used this to because I'm going to go in and flatten this unit, even though it's already super flat, you guys. Really flat. Like, I'm really pleased with this unit. But I'm using this as kind of like a product to help lay the unit even flatter, and just going in and laying this down with my hot comb. So I want to make a few styles with this wig. I want to show you guys how you can style this wig several different ways. So this is the first way right here, and this is just a half up, half down ponytail, and it is super cute and super easy to do. After about 10 minutes with the silk scarf laying the wig down, this is looking amazing, you guys. I had to do my little dance. I don't even see the lace, y'all, and I had to get up super close to see it myself. But now I'm just brushing out the baby hair, and you know, I'm just showing you some spots that the lace wasn't really totally laid down in, but no problem, that's an easy fix. So I'm just brushing out the baby hair, and because I don't want those to be like crunchy against my skin. And I'm going in and cutting the baby hair now. So it is looking great so far. The ponytail is laid, but this is just a tip. You want to take a black eyeliner pencil, and you see the area where the lace is showing up white, where you don't have skin right there. You want to color that in, and this is a quick and easy fix to kind of hide that lace behind your ear. So I'm taking some Eben 24-hour edge tamer. I do like to use edge tamer on my edges versus like mousse or hair spray, just to give it a softer hold, and it's more flexible when doing your baby hair. So I'm going to attempt heavy baby hair, y'all. I'm not the expert, but I wanted to make like really heavy baby hair, and I think it came out great. Y'all, does this not look realistic? It looks like I got a perm. But excuse the way I did the baby hair on that side. Like I said, I'm not an expert. I tried. But yeah, to me, it is looking super dope. So you guys stay tuned and I'll show you all the ways I styled this beautiful HD lace wig. All right, you guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please be sure to rate, comment, and subscribe to my channel so I can keep these videos coming. I love providing good content to you guys. I love you guys so much. So be sure to subscribe, like I said, and give me a thumbs up and drop a comment if you enjoyed this video. All the wig information will be below in the description box. And be sure to follow me on Instagram as well, cutie_pie_hair. Thanks so much for tuning in again, you guys. And thank you, Yavita Hair, for sponsoring this video. Have a great day, you guys. Bye.